and welcome again to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Chef Coco Cruz. Today, I am going to make you one of my favorite desserts, and I am going to make you some Bavarian cream. Let's start cooking, yeah? Yes! When I make the Bavarian cream, the very first step that we have to do is put your skillet into a very low heat. Put your cup of milk. Wait for this to heat a little bit. And then add your gelatin powder. And we add 2 ounces of gelatin powder. And you mix this very well. Now it has been 2 minutes, but it's not in the boiling point. It is just warm. We turn this off and we go to step 2 right over here. So now for our step 2, we have 1.5 cup of heavy whipping cream and a few pinches of starch. This is cornstarch. Ta-da! I'm going to have a mixer. So we're going to put this in number 1. So let's all mix it together, and after mixing that for 3 minutes, we turn it off and put this in the fridge for a bit. Make it chill. Now, step 3. While our whipping cream and starch is in the fridge while it's chilling, now it's time to add a cup of white powdered sugar. I know there's a lot of many ways to cook this dish. That's because it is made for royalty, but this is my own recipe, and I hope you get to share this to your families and to your loved ones because you are going to enjoy this. We are going to add full red yolk, 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and a few pinches of Himalayan salt. Again, you mix this very well. You guys are going to love this dessert, especially the kids. They are going to love this. Please share it to them. So while I'm whisking this, I'm going to grab our whipping cream because we're going to add it on here. I went ahead and grabbed our whipping heavy cream and add little by little. Fantastic. Yum. And guess what I'm gonna grab next? Of course, our milk. This way. Awesome. After grabbing our milk, we're gonna wait on that for a bit because we're going to mix this together very well. Yes, yes, I'm going to have my little guy, my little mixture. And guess what? We're going to beat this for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Now I have been beating it for 8 minutes. Now it's time to put our oven to 350 degrees. And you are not going to believe what I'm about to do because I am going to make our Bavarian into this. But it's going to be like a soufflé. So I'm going to pour half a cup and just regular water, and we pour this into our baking pan like so. And of course, we cover it. Now time to put this in the oven for 15 minutes and check up on it. So it has been 15 minutes, so let's check on our Bavarian cream soufflé. It's almost floating, look at that. So we're gonna give this another 10 minutes and I'll be back. So after totaling up cooking this for 25 minutes, this is how it's gonna look like. Just be very careful. Look at this. Wow, look at this. Doesn't this look fantastic? Please share this to your family. Cooking with Chef Coco Cruz, your fusion exotic chef. And I love you all. Please again enjoy your family and your loved one. And share this recipe because you will all enjoy it. Mwah! I love you all. Thank you again. Alright, so guess what? I'm going to make our Bavarian. You know the difference between chicken. Okay, never mind. Hi, Director Michael Tripoli Anthony. I love you so much. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Again, it's Jojo.